this video, guys, I'm going to show you what is this mode on your iPhone, okay, and how to enable it. Stay with me. Alright guys, welcome back again to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable or set up that mode. So that mode, on iPhone, we call it assistive access. Okay, so that mode is, or we can say that it makes it easier for people with cognitive disabilities to use iPhone independently, right? This happens, right, when we can say items on screen are bigger, features are more like focused, and it's easier to navigate and understand what actions are possible. So for enabling or setting up this mode, we are going to go to the settings, okay, scroll down to the accessibility, right, and scroll down to the bottom where you have assistive access. Okay, now tap on this one. Okay, set up assistive access, continue, right, again, continue. Here you have two options for the appearance. You can have a rule, right, or the grid form, right. This is how icons and text will appear in assistive access. Okay, continue. These are the apps that I want. The apps that I will choose. Okay, to be like among the apps in the assistive access. So okay, these are all the apps that I have on my iPhone. So I can choose any one, right? Yeah, so I'm gonna go for like a couple of them, right? So tap on the plus here, right? So here I can have like more than one option for the calls, selected contacts. I have to select the contacts that I want, right? All contacts or everyone. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this one, right? Continue. For the camera as well, I have like a couple of options to be available, right, while on assistive access. So I have the photos, selfie, video selfies. If I want this option to be on, just turn it on, right, and that's it. Okay, continue. Right, the messages as well, yeah, you have to choose like some settings. The photos as well, right, continue. Right, the music as well if you want to. Okay, yeah, I'll choose that one as well. Okay, and if you want like more apps to be chosen, it's okay, you can choose from the list of all of your apps that are available on your iPhone. Okay, then continue. Right, after that, just continue. Okay, yeah, unlock iPhone. Okay, just this one as well. Right here, it will like confirm parental controls passcode. This passcode, maybe you have set already on your iPhone, so you have to remember it, right? So I've set it with like 4 times. Okay, so okay, this is very important. You have to know about this one. All right, so when exiting the assistive access, okay, you can triple tap the side button, right? When you triple tap it, right, you will leave the assistive access mode. All right, so continue. All right, so start using assistive access. Here we go again, the code, right, passcode, and we are entering the assistive access here. All right, yeah, here we go. So as you can see, guys, all right, I have this list of the apps that I've like added to we can say the list of the apps to be shown while we can say enabling or using the assistive access on my iPhone. Okay, so where as I told you before, the way that you can like disable this mode, right, or exit this mode, right, you can triple tap the side button. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. All right, so as you can see, okay, it gives you 3 options here: settings, emergency, or exit assistive access here, right? So if you want to exit, just tap on this one. Okay, and remember the code, right? Again, yeah, if I tap on it, right, all right, let's see, I'm exiting the assistive access here. Yeah, very simple. Okay, yeah, as you can see, now back, my iPhone is like just like before, right? No problem. Okay, yeah, so yeah, to unlock, I'm gonna use the passcode or the Face ID, and then that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.